Sanibona, welcome back to enye video. Ngiyabonga kakhulu for joining me. Thank you very much for coming. Akhohlwa ukusubscribe, like video, share video as well. Now, asikhulumeni ke ngoMakhumalo Mseleku here on this particular video when we do a review Uthando Nesithembu episode 13-14 there. I'm gonna touch on the things that I see necessary, right? I don't really do a reality show reviews, but wala hlele kakhulukazi Uthando Nesithembu as this is my favorite reality show. So nginokuthi ke ngenza ama reviews ngikhulume ke ngendaba ke ezenzakalayo engizibona ke laphana ekhaya kaMseleku. So we know ukuthi uMakhumalo is always blamed for being a yes baba, yes daddy, yes baba. Yebo ngiyavuma baba. Okay baba. Uthi ansukume, okay. Uthi angihlale, okay baba. Uthi ufunani, okay. Yonke into, but hayi uMakhumalo uyadina ngoba she's always agreeing with ubaba uMseleku noma ngabe senzani nayo sezethatha advantage ngoMakhumalo because everything she agrees. Yes baba, sebeze bembiza ukuthi ungu yes baba. You know what I mean? But this time around, this season uMakhumalo came as a very changed person. Angazi yabona ke leya idlalayo on this particular season ngiyayithanda because uboni ukuthi abantu bathi ungu yes baba futhi nje bathanda ukuthi uMakhumalo uyaphapha umesenza izinto. Sometimes yabiza ama meeting abantu bethi hayibo uMakhumalo wathanda ukubiza ama meeting wazenza umamkhulu yonke into nje hayi uMakhumalo uyaphapha ma, she's forward, she is this and that, ungu yes daddy. Oh, there is a lot, but kuningi ke futhi okwenziwa nguMakhumalo okuhle ofana nokuthi engathi uphethe umndeni kaMseleku ziningi izinto ezisuke zizoba umama Makhumalo azabonge ubaba uMseleku ngoba she's managed girl phela sizayo lapha ezimalini asizi ubaba uMseleku amjeke inkosi yami mangabe phela nawe uyateka recently sizwile ukuthi uyena okhokhela i-medical obekhokhela was it medical? No, imoto. I think it's insurance yemoto, something like that. So zabe sizibuza ukuthi is she paying from her pocket or mhlambe ipocket yomndeni she was put in charge. Yona into engagcina ngibuzile angikathola impendulo on that particular one. Ukuthi is girl paying ngemali yakhe ecela ubaba uMseleku ngicela ungihenglishele indaba yemoto or mhlambe ke imali yomndeni and then baba uMseleku what I'm gonna put you in charge ukuthi ke make sure ukuthi the car insurance is paid. You know what I mean? Ngiyona ke kodwa ulusizo kakhulu uMakhumalo bafethu umuntu onenhliziyo enhle yebo bathi unguvuma zonke but she is very she's a beautiful girl with a beautiful heart, but ke she was always blamed for being a yes baba. So kuyabonakala ukuthi manje into ishintshile nayo ukhathela ugirl uyabona ke manje uyakwazi ukubeka unyalo wakhe phansi. There's a part where now ubaba uMseleku simbona nje ngena emakhosikazini ungena kamayeni ungena kaMakhumalo ungena kaMangwabo ungena kaMacele kunama discussions lapha nalapha. Okay, now I'm concentrating on that one where afike kaMakhumalo eyokhuluma ke ngomsebenzi umcimbi afuna ukuwenza. Ukhuluma ngomcimbi sithi kaDuma and then bese kukhuluma futhi ke ngokuthi he wants to introduce uMakhwela umcimbi wokuintroduce uMakhwela. I think khona lapho nje emcimbini leyo yembili does ubaba uMseleku want to do one thing. I think that's how I understood it. Ufuna ukwenza umsebenzi ufuna ukubonga oh my word, ugogo sithi ubani ke ugogo siyasibona nje ehamba laphana ebazalini abaleleyo laphana. Ugogo kuthiwa ugogo wakhe lo athi uFlow, okay, ayobika okunye nokunye akubikayo. So I think he has to introduce uMakhwela kuFlow abike inkinga zomndeni ke. There is a part of yabakaDuma where I do not understand ke bafowethu khona lapho ke, right? Ngicela ningicorrect ukuthi I mean, that is the first time I hear that surname kule amndeni. I'm like, who are those? But anyways, kukhuluma ke ngodaba lokuthi kuzoku introduce number 5 kulo msebenzi lo azowenza. Now uMakhumalo is not agreeing on the fact that njani mntakabawo wenze lo mcimbi wabadala bese uthi wena you will be introducing uMakhwela number 5, whereas kulo mcimbi lo ozowenza kumele kube khona uMayeni kumele kube khona uMangwabe, the two women abangakamamkele uMakhwela abangafuni lutho lunokwenza. So mangabe manje khona uMayeni khona uMangwabe abantu abangakamamkele uMakhwela and then you trick them into coming kulo mcimbi ke ube wena usazi ukuthi uzobe futhi uintroduce uMakhwela. Ngathi leyo nto ayizuhamba kahle ke the way ubaba uMseleku afuna ukwenza ngayo umsebenzi ahlanganisa izinto uthi uMakhwela no ayizukusebenza kanjalo. Uma uzokwenza umcimbi lo kaGogo Flow yenza umcimbi loyo, and then ubuzokwenza umcimbi kaMakhwela ke yenza umcimbi kaMakhwela kube izinto different. Ungahlanganisi ngoba kunjena manje uzothinike ngomayeni noma ngwabe into ekanjalo, so kuzoba awkward, nakhona kuzoba awkward bafethu. So I do not know uMakhumalo wasn't agreeing there. Wabe kunyalo phansi wathi ubaba uMzamsele kuno, I think he went there ecabanga ukuthi uMaKay njengophela umama ohlele emvumela yonke into meyenza uyamvumela uhambe ecabanga ukuthi hayi ngiya kuMakhumalo ngiyomazisa into ekanje ngoba ya wafika uMakhumalo wathi ayikhona. Phela manje wena uzobe sowuhetha uMangwabe noma yeni. She stood up for her sisters wathi ayikhona. Manje konke lokhu kwenzelwe uMakhwela manje wena wathi phela angithi labo babethe bayahamba, so you know the term abahambayo, so sala sincenga babethe bayahamba. So ke manje uthi uMakhumalo kanjani mfethu kanjani ngeke phela futhi bangabi khona phela uMangwabe noma yeni because of uMakhwela. Into ekanje ngathi everything haven't been solved when it comes to umayeni noMangwabe coming to the Makhwela issue. Ayikasolviwa leyo nto. So manje ubaba uMzamsele kumele ufuna ukwenza umcimbi ahlanganise whatever GoFlow abakaduma Makhwela. There's just a lot of things all in one. And kule mcimbi phela uhambile wayomema uMangwabe mbonile wamema uMangwabe ukuthi kumele abe khona kulo mcimbi. Obviously uMangwabe ethi bekungamelanga bengazi ukuthi ngizomenywa, bengisazi ukuthi siyatshelwa something like kuzoba khona umcimbi, right? Kuzoba khona umayeni bezobe bekhona abantu laba abathi nje ekaMakhwela bayingena. So if bekhona kulo mcimbi then boom baba uMzamsele introducing Makhwela, how is it going to go? Uthi uMaKay akavumi Makhwela ulo uMakhumalo ubona ngathi izinto ngeke zihambe ngendlela, and I agree with her. Ngivumelana naye, ngibona ngathi ubaba uMzamsele ufuna ukuthi ahlanganise izinto uzodala inkinga between amakhosikazi akhe, you know what I mean? That's what Makhumalo is advising him. So yena because he was waiting for Makhumalo to agree with him like always, wathi ugela hayi khona ngeke phela manje kuzoba nabantu abanenkinga la, manje kumele wena ke ugxile kuMakhwela wakho ekubeni izinto awukazilungisi noMangwabe noma yena ayicha ngeke mfethu ngeke wenze kanjalo izinto. Wathi ubaba uMzamsele kasemvele ngasutha futhi nalokudla nje because ubefikile laphana wanikeza ukudla uyadla. Khumbula phela ku medication kuzomela adle futhi aphuze ama liquids yonke into, afike nje athola ukudla. Wavele wasutha ke on finding out ukuthi uMaKay akayingeni indaba yakhe yokufuna ukumix uMakhwela nezinye izinto engakazilungi, akaqede ngodaba lwakhe nomayeni noMangwabe bagcine beba happy ngoMakhwela bese ke usengayenza umcimbi kaMakhwela angahlanganisi izinto. I think uMaKay was just trying to make him understand, but because uvele waphuma ke wathi disappointed, he mentioned even ukuthi he's disappointed. You know why he's disappointed? Ngoba obecabanga ukuthi bayovumelana noMakhumalo. uMaKay wathi hayibo, she had to be on the side of uMangwabe nomayeni. Wathi kuma-diary sessions nawo ngesethi kuMaKay ngathi hayi uyasejika manje useshintshile ngathi sefuna ukuba kulolu hlangothi lwalaba abathi bazohamba. Usevumelana nalaba abathi bazohamba. No, she was just giving him an advice ukuthi you know what, awazi kumix izinto, akube nomcimbi osoka GoFlow ntontona abakadu. Guys, am I mentioning the right name? I think abakaduma if I'm not mistaken. And then busuzoba nalo mcimbi kaMakhwela ukuthi ufuna ukumintroduce ebadaleni into ekanjalo bafethu. Izinto zenziwe ngendlela, hayi ukuthi manje sizocunula laba abangaka amkele uMakhwela and everything else. Then boom, there is Makhwela there. You know like udawo lesibhedlela wabona into benza kanjani uMacele wameka sure ukuthi uMakhwela ufika lapha by sneaking her in because akakahlangani nomayeni noMangwabe. She had to sneak her in. Bathi mase bephuma nangu uMakhumalo, she had to go out ngama 1-1 ukuze kungabonakala ukuthi uMakhwela uphuma kaMsele, you know what I mean? So manje baba uMzamsele kumefuna nje kumane nje avele enza izinto ngaleyo ndlela ukuthi uMaKay no. Sathi namhlanje uMaKay wathi girl no. Awukwazi ukwenza njalo umthombeni. Hayibo, singasakhululeki manje thina ke la ekhaya ngenxa kaMakhwela. Hayi ngeke mfethu ulungisa udaba lwakho noMakhwela, ulungisa udaba lwakho nalama emakhosikazi. Mase ku right ke sungawenza kumcimbi. Hayi nje ukuhlanganisa izinto wayalo girl. Waphuma ke as disappointed as he was. Athi I am disappointed ngavele ngasutha nokudla. Waphuma wahamba because he was expecting ukuthi uzovunyelwa enze noma yini. uMaKay uzothi hayi baba okay ngiyavuma. because he was asking uMakhumalo to handle indaba yokudla njengoba kuzoba nomcimbi ke uMaKay amake sure ukuthi organize abantu abazopheka ke na everything ayiloko manje uyasaba naye uthi manje kuzobe sekuthiwa ngiyaphapha ngoba kuzothiwa okay yonke into yenziwa ngumseleku Makhumalo knows manje Makhumalo is elected to do this kuzothiwa hayi uyaphapha uzenza ngathi nguyena kuphela unkosikazi into there is a lot, you know. So bebuza lokho ukuthi manje akuzukuthi kuthiwe uyaphapha na wavele wangayivuma ke naleyo ukuthi kuhlanganiswe izinto ugelo wathi hayi cha not today mntakaba not today Mthombeni angivumelani nawe kwaba yilokho kabantu bathi good girl Makhumalo for putting your foot down finally, you know, finally walibeka phansi unyawo girl naye wakwaphikisana noMthombeni for once something like that bafethu yakumele kube njalo usibona kadlalele kaMangwabe ngoba uyazi ukuthi hayi ugirl ume is an okay akadlaleni nangale kaShibase ngoba iziyabuya ngale, you know what I mean. So kaMaKay kulahla ledlala la khona wasehamba kubike namhlanje mntakaba wayi waphuma ke nje ephoxekile babumuzamisele kunkosi yami ngapha egula bakithi kuningi ngaye. But anyways, that's in the comment section. Like the video, subscribe, share. Asibonane kwezayo. Bye.